What up? Hey, I just wanted to make a real quick video about YouTube videos and how you make your YouTube videos. Not tutorial on how to make videos, just I guess the genre of videos. If you watch any of my videos, there's not really any theme to it. It's kind of just here and there whenever we want to post. But that's the thing, that's what my channel is geared more towards. And it's on this channel, I don't want to back myself into one genre of content. I like being able to offer just kind of any kind of random content, interesting content, informative content. We do bushcraft stuff, just all kinds of stuff we'll post on this channel. Sometimes we'll post unboxings. Um, Whoa, my computer screen's looking weird. These glasses are way, way tinted, and they're polarized. So if you get it the right angle, sometimes you can't even see the screens. Anyway, if you want to be successful on YouTube, you kind of have two main choices. They're not the only two, but if you if you're really particular about one genre of content, then stick to it. If it works, it works. Or you could kind of cater to anything and anyone kind of content. I on this channel have just chose to not back myself down into one corner of type of content, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that. If you prefer one genre type of content and you're a content creator, then if it pays the bills, then it pays the bills. But I kind of like to cater to just whatever, whenever, however, and honestly, it's another great way to be successful on YouTube. Like just catering to anything, anyone, anywhere kind of thing. Um, it's really fun. We get to upload when we want to. We don't necessarily have an upload schedule. Nothing against people with an upload schedule. We actually have upload schedules on some of our other channels, but we try not to link too many of our other videos to this channel because our other channels are genre specific. And it's kind of like a surprise. Like if you find it, then you find it, and so that's just kind of what we do. But with this channel, we cater to anyone, anywhere, anything kind of deal. Like no upload schedule. We've been successful on YouTube with this channel. Like it's a very very tiny channel, but it's interesting to watch the growth of a smaller channel, and as it kind of ramps up and starts to take off a little bit, it's just really kind of a fun little side project to do. Like I said, we have other channels that are genre specific, but I mean, if you find them, you find them. That's why it's kind of like a little Easter egg kind of thing. We don't really link too much of our other genre specific YouTube productions that we do with being content creators. We just don't link it much with this channel. This channel's kind of just a little fun side project. Like to upload whenever you want, to do whatever you want, like short or long videos. Um, but it's cool watching this tiny little channel just and I wanted to just thank everybody because it's cool to be able to have a side project like this to see it slowly grow and take off. And just want to say, cool beans, and I appreciate it. We all appreciate it, that we all of us that create content for this channel and everything like that. So that's kind of just another way to be successful on YouTube. Slow but sure, the turtle said. Um, Having just a small account and just watching it grow, it's really really fun. Um, and we don't do genre specific content also because it just kind of frees you up to do or be more of what you kind of want to do just with your own spare time and everything. Don't want this video to be super long and shit, but we do appreciate all of the views, and doesn't matter, get out there and film some stuff if you want to be a content creator. It really doesn't matter what you go out and shoot with. We shoot in 720p for now. We might go up to 1080, but we're never going to shoot in anything higher than 1080 probably, because those files are huge. The processing time is just huge. And 1080 is great. 1080p in like 30 or 60 frames. 720p in 60 frames is nice. But yeah, we just try to keep modest sized files to not have to deal with giant 4K files and stuff like that. They get huge, you guys. But again, thank you for watching and checking out our content. Um, Feel free to drop us a like or a comment, share, subscribe, do what you want. And thank you, especially if you made it this far in the video, because this is the end. We out of here. Peace. Success on YouTube, y'all. Just film with what you want to film, and then upgrade later. Laters.